Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. So this is an interesting tech news for you. AUKEY has recently launched true wireless earbuds and these are available in USA. Let us have a look at the features of this device. These are wireless earbuds which come with a charging case. The best part is that it has wireless case charging, so you can charge the case wirelessly, and it also supports USB Type-C fast charging. The battery life is amazing of these earbuds. You can use it for 5 hours and also can get 25 hours more with a charging case. So in total you get 30 hours of playtime. These come with in-ear detection, so there are infrared proximity sensors which detect wearing status. You can remove the earbuds from your ears, which can easily pause the music, and when you put back, the music will resume. This is a very cool, interesting feature indeed. As per the brand, these earbuds fit comfortably. These are having lightweight design and come with three different sizes of ear tips for comfortable all-day wear. These are ultra light and are having IPX5 rating. So these are water resistant earbuds. These have weight of 8 gram or 5 ounces only and are able to resist rain and sweat. There is smart touch control by which you can control your music, manage calls and also can do a lot of things. It is having 7 mm titanium drivers which are able to deliver hi-fi sound with impressive precision as well. So these are having very quality material. It also looks good and it has amazing battery life, and the feature which we loved is the wireless charging case, good battery, and also the proximity sensors which are able to manage playback for you. So these earbuds detect whether you have equipped it in your ears or not, and they can auto pause and resume accordingly. So this is an interesting feature as well, and it saves your valuable time for pause and play. So these are having touch controls also, so these are amazing earbuds. So you can purchase it for a good price, though it is having an MRP of 49.99 US dollars. You will get amazing discount if you check out the link in the description below. You will get it right now at 44.99 US dollars. So if you want to purchase it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get 10% of discount on the MRP. Also, don't forget to visit our website, which is technary.com. Kindly like this video and do comment on it as well. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on for more such interesting video tech news. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.